For today's game, all you need is a frisbee and some coins. I went ahead and washed them first before everybody played with them so that they were nice and germ-free. And then to play, you're going to want to put your frisbee on a table. I like to start with mine upside down. You could start with it right side up. Either way, you're going to flip it over. So then you're going to want to get your coin spinning in the center, flip it over, and see if you can't keep it spinning on the top. Sometimes I can do it a lot longer than that, but as long as it spins for a few seconds, then that counts. There's a few fun ways that you can play. One of the ways is that maybe you have multiple people and you all want to play at the same time. You can just have a race and see who does it first. If you don't have a lot of frisbees, try doing it with paper plates. Those will also work, but frisbees definitely have a little bit more sturdiness if you have a few of those. Or if you are playing by yourself or with a group, again, you can play this. Do it minute to win it style. Have a race where you can see how many times you can do it within 60 seconds. So every time you get it spinning, flip it over, and if it's still spinning, then pick it up, put it back over on the ground, start spinning again, try and get it, oh, there we go, 2 in a row. So you could just see how many times in 60 seconds you could do that. There's 3. And then just go from there and see who can have the most amount of times within that. There are so many fun things that you can do with this easy boredom buster. Let us know down below if you have other variations that you enjoy playing as well. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want more easy, fun games that you can do for boredom busters or with easy games your family can play throughout the house, I will put a link to those in the description below. Also follow along on our accounts. We would love to have you join us as we post fun family activities, games, arts and crafts frequently to be able to enjoy quality time with your family. Thanks so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye!